Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check out the playback of a particular flight on the Flightradar24 application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should tap on this search bar at the top of the screen, click on flight by route and type in the departure airport name and the arrival port. After that, click on the search button, select the flight, tap on it and click on the playback button down below, and here you will be able to start checking out the playback of this particular flight. Click on the play button. You can use this chart to check it out and see it on the map too. Here you can find it on the map. If you want to, you can go or use this slide. And you can check it out like this. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.